Hi, this is Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in East Java Clinic, Saket. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about a very important and integral part of mommy makeover, female genital rejuvenation surgeries. So when we talk of female genital rejuvenation, it comprises of a host of surgeries which are designed to rejuvenate the area after pregnancy and childbirth, and is tailor-made to each patient. This comprises of three main surgeries. One is vaginal tightening or vaginoplasty. This can be surgical or non-surgical. When I say a surgical vaginal tightening, it is basically a combination of procedures which removes the extra mucosa, extra tissue from the vagina, and also tightens your muscles. The second technique is the use of lasers, as you must have all heard about the FemiLift, which can be used to tighten that area as well. So depending upon the individual indication, we can advise both surgical and non-surgical techniques to each patient. The other important part of rejuvenation is labiaplasty. Now, what is labiaplasty? Labiaplasty essentially means shaping of your labia. So labia are the inner lips of your vulva. So when you say the inner lips, so in some patients what happens is the pregnancy causes a change in the hormonal levels, as we all know, and this leads to abnormal enlargement and also a change in the color of the labia. So many people find this cosmetically unacceptable, and sometimes they also have functional problems like friction while wearing certain types of clothing, and do opt for labiaplasty as a functional procedure also. So labiaplasty again is designed at removing the excess labial tissue and also making the area more cosmetically appealing. The third surgery, which is a part of rejuvenation, is basically to deal with the deflation in the vulva or the outer lips as a woman ages. So what happens is initially in a younger woman, labia, the outer labia called the vulva, is actually quite plump and fluffy. But with age and because of hormonal changes, it gets deflated. So most patients come to me saying that they don't like the fact that the vulva is looking so deflated and also the inner lips are visible. So fat grafting basically aims at creating a fuller look of the vulva, and this is where fat grafting comes in as a part of the female rejuvenation. Now, fat grafting usually, like any other area, what we tell the patient is that this might require up to 2 sessions and gives quite long-lasting results. Another component of genital rejuvenation is in the form of non-surgical techniques. So the two most common indications, as we all know, are laser hair removal, which is basically to deal with the bikini area, and second again, which is again becoming increasingly popular, is the use of peels to lighten the area, the so-called intimate area peels. Now overall, these procedures basically aim at restoring the youthfulness of the female genital area after pregnancy and childbirth. In some cases, these procedures are also opted for by younger individuals who have weight fluctuations or who have enlargement of the labia due to certain hormonal reasons at puberty also. One important thing is to understand that this can be all performed at one single go. So your plastic surgeon will tell you what all can be combined. It does not involve a very long downtime. You can go back to work pretty much soon. And there is nothing like pain or a prolonged recovery time. It probably requires a leave of about 4-5 days from your office and not much of an aftercare. To summarize, this is a very simple procedure and has a great patient satisfaction rate. It restores a woman's confidence in her body and her looks. So if you have any further questions regarding this particular topic, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll get back to you.